Can you survive a wild boar attack? You're hiking through the woods, birds singing, completely peaceful. Then you hear it, a low grunt, something big in the bushes. A wild boar charges at 30 miles per hour. You have about 2 seconds to react. What do? Most people get this completely wrong. Let's fix that. Know what you are dealing with. A wild boar is not a cartoon pig. It weighs up to 90 kilograms and charges like a small car. Those tusks slash upward, not forward. The main targets are your thighs and lower body. A single tusk strike can sever an artery. Wild boars have terrible eyesight, but an extraordinary sense of smell. It probably smelled you long before you saw it. One more thing. A lone boar is usually just defending its space. A mother with piglets nearby is the most dangerous animal in the forest. Do not get between them. At 30 miles per hour, a boar covers 13 meters per second. You run at maybe 10 to 15 miles per hour on a good day. On flat ground, you lose. 3 things people do that are wrong. Running straight? It catches you. Playing dead? You become a tusk target. Screaming and waving? It escalates the charge. One more thing, and this matters. Most wild boar charges are bluff charges. The animal is trying to scare you away. It may veer off before it reaches you. Stand your ground, and it might just leave. Wild boars have short legs and a low center of gravity. They turn just as sharply as you can. Zigzagging does not work. What does work is putting something solid between you and the boar. A tree trunk, a boulder, a car, anything that breaks the straight charge line. If there is a tree, climb it. Get at least 3 meters off the ground. Boars cannot climb. Once you are up, you are safe. No tree? Get on top of anything elevated. A boulder, a car roof, a wall. The rule is simple. Get above it. A boar cannot follow you up. Okay, boar spotted. Here is what you actually do. Step 1, do not run immediately. Freeze. Assess. Make yourself look as big as possible. Arms out, stand tall, hold eye contact. Many boars will stop and retreat when they see a confident, large opponent. If it charges, sidestep. Do not run straight away. Step to the side at the last moment. Let the charge pass you. A boar cannot easily change direction at full speed. The moment the charge passes, run. Not away randomly. Run directly toward a tree, a boulder, or any obstacle. You have 2 to 3 seconds while it recovers. If it knocks you down, curl into a tight ball immediately. Protect your neck and head with your arms. Stay curled. Do not try to fight back from the ground. A curled, motionless target gives the boar nothing to slash. It will lose interest and move on. Fighting back from the ground invites more attacks. Last resort only. If you must fight back while standing, target the snout, eyes, and ears. These are the most sensitive areas. Use any object, a stick, a bag, a jacket. The best survival tip is not getting into this situation. Watch for boar tracks and rooting on the trail. If you see piglets, back away slowly. Make noise while hiking. They will avoid you if they hear you coming. The blueprint. Freeze and assess. Stand tall and look big. Sidestep the charge. Run to cover or climb. If knocked down, go fetal. If you must fight, snout and eyes. Remember, face it, freeze, arms wide, charge, sidestep, escape to cover. If taken down, curl tight. Face it. That is what survivors do. Wild boars are aggressive, but predictable. They follow patterns. Once you know the patterns, you have the advantage. If this helped, subscribe to Wild Skill TV. Next week, we are covering something with even bigger teeth. Stay wild.